In this simulation, we are going to be changing not the time, but the number of particles, the number of deuterium and tritium in the box. So we'll start out with the 10 at 10 seconds and then move that down to 8 and then 6 and so on. All right.
Two.
Okay, so 2 fusions. And we're down to 8 deuterium and 8 tritium.
One.
Okay, so 1 fusion with 8 deuterium and 8 tritium. And are we down to 6 of each?
And you take off one more. Two.
Okay, so we got 2 again. And let's go with 4 of each.
Zero.
All right, so with 4 of each, there are none. And let's finish up with 2 of each.
None.
None, okay. All right, so on that one, we changed the number of particles.